Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, from wherever you're joining us. This is Stanley World Technologies, your church multimedia channel. Welcome. Today we'll be talking about EasyWorship 2009 for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Previously, EasyWorship released EasyWorship 2009 1.9 build, which only work for Windows 8 and older versions. So you can't use EasyWorship 2009 1.9 build for your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Today we'll be working through a process of installing EasyWorship 2009 2.4 build, which is built specifically for Windows 10 and higher version. Stay glued as we move on. So I'll open my folder and I install the EasyWorship. Click on next. I'll accept the agreement. Click on next. So you can choose to select a desktop icon or your quick launch icon. I don't use any of this because I like to put them on my taskbar. So next and install. So we wait for the process to install and yeah, finished. Our EasyWorship is ready. So now I'm gonna click in on the application here. Just click yes. So I'm gonna register. You can register with your church name, your company name. I'm gonna use Stanley World. So I'm gonna type Stanley World. For any number, I'm also gonna type Stanley World or I use I. And for my key, I'm also still gonna type Stanley World. So I'm gonna click on patch and okay. So I'm gonna click automatically start EasyWorship. So once I register, my EasyWorship starts automatically. So I'll click on register. It has been licensed to Stanley World, and just stay and wait behind for it to open our EasyWorship 2009. As you can see, it's showing registered to Stanley World. And here we go. My EasyWorship is set. So now I'm gonna test it. So try to type. Whoa, it's working. So I'm gonna just save a file, call it new, and testing EasyWorship or testing my EasyWorship 2009 build 2.4. Okay. So and that's that. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay glued to our channel. You can consider subscribing to get content about the church multimedia channel. Thank you and see you in our next